Hello, I'm in a 2015 Mitsubishi Mirage, and today I'm going to show you to reset your wrench symbol here, which is for your maintenance oil reminder. Right now I have the vehicle on, so we'll turn it all the way off. Or if you have a button here, do it that way. And we're going to flip this to the accessory position. So then at that point you'll see this light back up. And then depending on what screen you're on, you're going to just click through with this till you get past it one more time to this one here, and then you're going to press and hold. You see it flashing, so you're good. Then we'll click one more time, and then we're at the clear. So you should be all set. And I'll turn the vehicle back off and on just to show you it's reset. See how the symbol's gone though here. So it's off. Got the key out. We'll start it back up. And you're all set. Hope this was helpful and hope you have a wonderful day.